Hi guys, let's make another video. We have, in the meantime, changed the ATT, so you can build the ISO and you have the Kiro ISO Builder. That's the topic of the video. Next time for me is play around with, I told you that in video 77, if memory serves, and my memory is serving, the Kiro ISO Builder build a custom ISO with Plasma. So next thing is, let's play around with not Plasma, right? But what was the idea? Cinnamon, and combine it maybe with Qtile. Why not with i3? Because I do want you to learn a little bit about tiling window managers. We can always switch around and detect available kernels. Take something I haven't taken yet, and I've taken already more than 10. Definitely more than 10. Let's take something I haven't taken yet, and that's the CashOS LTS. I don't think I've done that. So lots of choices. You choose, see what works on your machine, but I'm gonna take just the one, right? It's build time minus, I don't know, 10, 20 seconds or something, right? A little bit less. This is all the packages that we suggest on the Kiro ISO. Boom, they're all out, and you tweak or tick or whatever you want to have. I do want a variety. Okay, save, continue. Offices if you like them. There's more, scroll down. Save and continue. Start build. Wait for the pop-up. Now you can take a shower. See you in a bit. Voila, we're back. I've added a 9 because otherwise people will go, will misunderstand, that's the word. That this is just a testing button, right? It's just not let's install and have a look at it. No, it's test and test. And if it's okay to test, then you burn. That's the best approach. But to record, right? To record, I need to stay here and make a template. Well, I can take this one. Where is my ISO? Very important. I make that mistake too. So with the ATT, you can build the ArchLinux ISO. That's previous video. But in music is what I just created. So look at the hour. That's the giveaway for me that, okay, that's the most recent ISO I've built, right? 8 minutes ago it was finished. Then we select it, make sure that we boot from it, start and test. No, for real then, right? So Control F is going to make everything bigger. CD-ROM, enter. You know the drill, these lines. I'm not going to repeat it every video. But the first line is VirtualBox, VMware. QEMU, boxes. There's another one I forgot already, like 4, 5, 6 of them. You choose what you want. And this is your system, right? You chose Cinnamon. Now Cinnamon, the only thing I've done in Cinnamon is a beautiful wallpaper, and the rest I stay off. So it's completely yours to theme, rise, tweak, whatever, right? Maybe I'll add some more packages just for support side, because I believe there are some Cinnamon packages that we used to include in the ArchLinux ISOs. But maybe I shouldn't, right? Just keep it the way it is. And you see the wallpaper in me is already changed. The losers. Right? Not my doing. But we do have variety. Haha. Right? We can have here the next and the next and the next. What's this? That's nice. And in the meantime, we can have a look around. So if I didn't change anything, what do we get when we install Cinnamon? I get this. Okay, so all applications. Here are our website links. So if you want to communicate with us, discussions is the place to be. If you know what's new, that's this one, and that's the source code. This is an application that just shows you how everything is doing, but this should not be run live. This should be run on real metal. That matters. We're not going to write anything for virtual machines. Doesn't really matter. NVIDIA is now still on board. Somewhere here is getting rid of NVIDIA, right? So the NVIDIA OpenDKMS is on the ISO. So everybody, hopefully the new machines anyway, the new NVIDIA guys have to take line number 2. That's gonna work, and all the others, right? It's a test and run. It's NVIDIA, the story of NVIDIA. What we need to have a look at is the system settings of this particular desktop. Now that's this one. I need to go through it, just like Plasma. You need to check every single thing that's there. Same with XFCE, right? You need to check, and there's 3 down here as well. Our firewall is here. Some of the things are not on the default Cinnamon, but we've put them there, right? And like the firewall, I think is ours. The system info, I think, no, that's not ours. But there is something called, also as well, something about information that we have on XFCE, but maybe not here, right? This is not XFCE. There's a screensaver, night light. So it's basically Linux Mint on Arch, if you didn't know. And it works fine. I wouldn't say the same about Deepin on Arch, but here, no problem. You choose whatever you want here. Just playing around, waiting for the installation to finish. Here, well, we have something like this now. These are the papyrus icons, but we do have Surfing papyrus somewhere. We have these guys, and that looks like this then. That's a Sardi, that's a Sardi. The Surfing. Are they installed? Surfing, Papyrus Casablanca. Here's the gray. I do like this one as well. All right. Okay. So let's tune it. Let's reboot. This is going to be a future system. Rising in there. It's fun, but it has nothing. It's a void of meaning because it's gone now, right? We need to do it all over again. I was just playing around. So let's rise it. The video is only 7 minutes. Wow, that's because of a long pause there. Cinnamon and Wayland, keep away. Qtile, Wayland, keep away. Cinnamon, sure, right? Take that one. And i3 is installed as well. And Qtile is installed as well. So I will repeat it in my videos. Go and have a look at one of the tiling window managers and see if you like it. All right. So the arrow, not good. Don't like the arrow. Right. Okay, no problem. An arrow is just that, an arrow. Click. Choose. I'm going to take a different one this time. Let's take it white out dark, the default. We were looking at Surfing earlier on, this one. So that's the look now. Need to have a black wallpaper for that. So black. This is blackish. This is blacker. Don't like it. What's this? Right, you go through all the guys. Oh, that's a nice one, maybe. All right, chosen. Okay, pixelated, like in the old games. That's the resolution we play the games in. Anyway, white dark is here. Check. Then we should take this one as well, or can't. We can't take it white dark here. But this is possible. Let's go for arc dark again. There are also in here settings to simplify is this, yeah. Advanced is that. Add renew. There are here things that we can do. So basically something like Plasma, and watch the other video. Some kind of way to tweak everything, right? To rise everything. And popularity, date, installed. Upgradable. So there's some things we can click here. Popularity. Here we have no icons. Nothing to show for us. Cashmere blue. To each his liking, but not really. And there's no preview. I don't think we can click or anything. Right mouse click, nope. Let's play it out. Let's see how it works. I think it's already installed. Adapt on Noco. No, don't go there. Escape. Adapt on Noco. Which gives us this kind of look. Then I should better get something green. Yes, background. But you know the gist, right? It's fun. It's enabled. Show icons on the menu, icons and buttons. That's one thing I always had to change, but I fixed this, I think. Effects. Okay, can live with that. It has to do with the hot corners, I think. No, it's not what I'm looking for. But as you see, there's quite a bit to set. Some other things as well. Some screensavers here. Preferred applications. I'm looking for the where you set when you go drag it up to the bottom, to the top. It gives us a half. I don't like that. That is putting this small thing up here. I want it full screen. And that setting is not yet done. It's not yet default. And that's a pity. Question is, where did I put it, right? Layout. No. Effects, we had that already. And reread everything. Two screens, so he knows what to do if there are more. All things we can do, transparent panels, blur cinnamon, Qtile. I mean, there's a lot of things to tweak your cinnamon, but I'm not gonna touch it. It's all up to you. Here we are now. Nope. I'm losing my patience. It's somewhere in here. Windows? Behavior. I'm close, I'm close, I feel it, I'm close. Is it tiling? Enable window there. Maximize instead of tile when dragging a window to the top edge. Yeah, that's what I want. That's the behavior, that should be default. But that's me, right? And there's more. I hope while I was looking for it, I hope you see that Cinnamon could be your new home, right? On Arch, I have no problem in saying that. This could be definitely your home. And try it out, see what settings there are, and I'm sure they've covered everything, the bases anyway, right? And our firewall is there. All right. Enjoy your new Kiro ISO. You've built it yourself with the builder, and from time to time, right? Log out. Nope, wrong button. Well, it's gonna be this one. Yep, log out. And let's pick one to end. Let's take i3 and try it out. See if you like a Ctrl-Alt-T, Ctrl-T, Ctrl-Alt-F. If Firefox is installed, it launches. Right? It's a fun thing to play around with and to decide, okay, maybe I'm gonna try this. Erik is right. It's gonna be fast, responsive. Super D has everything I need. And escape. Super X is gonna log me out again. And if I don't know the key binding, Ctrl Super S read and search, right? Vivaldi. If it's installed, it's Ctrl-Alt-V. Enjoy Kiro.